Yeah. This is the way. This is the way to get a lot of limited fish. So this is utmost wood. Look at this. But just give me a minute. Utmost wood you'll see. You'll see this. Just a minute. Then talk to this. Talk to this guy. Then this guy will take you here. Then you need to have you need to cut to 285.7 million fish to get the exclusive food. So bye.